Today I want to show you guys the Diamond Path Shawl, and I want to show you some of the kits that I've put together. This shawl is sort of a parallelogram shape. I'm not quite sure what the shape is, but you start here at this point here, so you only cast on a few, and in this version you stripe two colors for the sides, and then once you hit a certain number, because you're increasing along one edge, you hit a certain number and then you start to do the big lace diamond repeats, and I've used a third color for that section, and then you start to decrease, and then you just stripe down the end, and then you end up at the very end. So it's so fun. It goes really fast, especially with the way that, you know, you're increasing, and then you do this kind of like it explodes into this big lace that is so fun to do. And then you just start decreasing, and you know, every row gets shorter, and it's a lot of fun. This uses 3 skeins of yarn. And this is, like I said, the 3-color version. And I'm going to show you what it looks like on. I'm 5'2", so kind of give you just a little bit of what that looks like. And you can wear it across your shoulders like this. I love that it stays put. The edges are very long, and it's straight in the back instead of doing a V like a normal shawl. And it stays put very well. You could always use a shawl cuff if you prefer. You can also wear it as a wrap across your shoulders, you know, kind of do some draping, kind of like how I have it here on her too. You could bring it to the front, bring the lace to the front, wear it as a scarf. And because it's made with sock weight, fingering weight yarn, it's so light. You can squish it up, and it's not a lot of bulk at all. So it's great. You can wear it as a scarf also and play with it, tie it, you know, do all kinds of fun stuff with it. And I really love this pattern. It's one of my favorites that I designed. And I've done a 3-color version that you see here with the striping, and a 2-color version where the sides are solid and then the lace section is a different color. I would love to do a solid color version or a 1-color version and see how that looks. I think it would look amazing, especially if you used like a neutral, which I do have that kit in the shop, where you're just using natural and making it all one color. It would be a beautiful wedding shawl. That's what I'm thinking in my head. I really want to see what that looks like. So please, somebody make that. Take a picture for me. I don't have the time right now to do that. But each kit will come with a big bag with the Industrial Whimsy Knits logo on it, and 3 skeins of yarn. And it'll also come with 2 stitch markers. These ones are diamond shaped and in different colors. And so I have the natural I showed you. I have this one is called whole grain, and it's beautiful. It's like almost like a Victorian pressed flowers in an antique book. I mean, it just gives that sort of like faded lilac. And my daughter said, oh, it looks like pressed flowers. So I thought, oh, that's perfect. It's a beautiful color. And then a deep blue, like a sapphire blue, that would be really pretty. And I love this tonal red. It's got dark brown and light red, dark red, you know, all these tones in it. And I think that will look so great. The tonal yarn looks so pretty with this because it gives depth to your patterns, to your stitches. And then for 2-color, I do have one that's similar to this one. It's a little bit different yellow and pink, but it is giving the similar look. Let me set this down. And I have an aqua and natural. So you would use the aqua on the sides and then the natural white in the middle. Same thing with silver and sapphire in the middle. I think that one is actually with gold. There we go. Gold, purple, blue, pink. That's a lot of fun. That one would be a really fun, bright, just, you know, have a good time with it kit. So I hope that you get a chance to check out the website, industrialwhimsy.net. Look at the kits, see what colors, you know, interest you. If you want a different combo, just let me know. And I would love to see what you create and how you make your own Diamond Path shawl. Thanks.